Hi there! Welcome to Info Inspired. In this video, I'll show you how to play the Bulls and Cows Google Sheets game built in Google Sheets. This is a logic-based code-breaking game where the goal is to guess a secret number using the clues bulls and cows. To begin, select a difficulty mode from the drop-down in cell J1. You can choose from easy, normal, hard, or expert. Each mode changes the number of digits in the secret code and the number of attempts you get. Once you've selected a mode, click the reset button. This generates a new secret code and prepares the game board for a new round. Now, enter your first guess in the first available row. After entering your guess, look at the clues on the right. A bull means you guessed the correct digit in the correct position. A cow means you guessed the correct digit, but it's in the wrong position. Use these clues to improve your next guess. Keep entering new guesses and analyzing the clues carefully. In easy, normal, and hard modes, each digit must be unique. If you enter duplicate digits, the game will warn you automatically. In expert mode, repeated digits are allowed, making the game more challenging. Continue until you crack the secret code, or run out of attempts. If you guess correctly, you'll see a winning message, and the secret code will be revealed. If you run out of attempts, you'll see a mission failed message with the secret code displayed. That's how you play Bulls and Cows in Google Sheets. Enjoy the challenge. Thanks for watching!